welcome to Abby's restaurant. May I know if you reserve a reservation?
No.
Would you like a table for you, ma'am?
Yes, please. It will be a pleasure.
For how many people, ma'am?
For only one, please. Non-smoking area, please.
Okay, ma'am. This way, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is this table is okay for you, ma'am?
Yes, this is nice.
Okay, ma'am. Have a seat. May I excuse myself, ma'am? Would you like to unfold the table napkin?
Yes, please.
Would you like a glass of water, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Here's the menu, ma'am. You may now choose what you want here. Also, would you like to try our bestseller?
No, thank you. I'm good with this.
Would you like a bread for a meantime, ma'am?
That would be great. Thank you.
Oh, all right. Here's your bread, ma'am.
Thank you for this.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. I'm good with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am. Have you already picked what you want?
Yes, I would like to have Spanish bread with syrup on it and fresh orange juice, please.
Would you like our special, ma'am?
Yes, please. What's your special menu?
It is chow pan. I will repeat your order. Your order is a Spanish bread with syrup on it, with orange juice, and also a chow pan. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is.
Thank you, ma'am. May I take the menu now?
Yes, dear.
Would you like anything else? Beverages, dessert, or cocktails?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to clean your table, ma'am?
Yes, please. Also, I would like to pay the bill now.
No worries, ma'am. Give me a second and I will go back.
Thank you.
Here's your bill, ma'am. The total is 375 pesos. How would you like to pay it, ma'am? Online or cash or debit? Okay, ma'am.
Here's the payment.
I receive 400. I will come back later for your change.
No, it's fine. Change will be your tip.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for dining here in Abiel Restaurant. Hope you like our service.
I love your service. I might come back next time.